Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a Figma prototype to Behance portfolio. First, go to your Figma account. Then in here, you'll have the access to your different prototypes or project. So just go and select on the one that you want to add to Behance. Once in, on the top right corner, click on the share button. Then, go and get your embed code. After that, copy it. Once you copied it, go to your Behance account and log in. Once logged in, if you don't have a project yet, you can click on this Share Your Work button at the top and select Project. Now, to add in your Figma prototype, on the Content section, select Embed. Then, on the Embed Code block, go and paste in the one you copied from Figma. Once done, click the Embed button. Now, just wait for it to load. And as you can see, your Figma prototype is now added to your Behance portfolio. You can go and interact with it. You can also go and zoom it out or zoom it in. And that's just basically it. You can also go ahead and do that to your other Figma prototype. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.